say them have a price for my head. Enough of them want me dead, but I'm covered by the Most High, so none of them can come close to go side. Me hear them a talk.
Hello, my son. And money for Madam Josiah. Hiya! Hey, Madam Josiah. Hiya!
Yeah, the whole out the line up. I say, yo, the whole out the line up. I say, whole out the line up. I wish I didn't come over there, come deal with the mother one way. Come here. Are you? Mother tell me, say, yo, you come over yard since day, you know. What one?
I'm a boom box to come forward.
Which boom box?
Boom box, they take for everyone here.
Have a good mind.
Hey, please, I beg you. I beg you, please.
Don't make me see you come back to mother again, but nothing, you know. Just to get about the boom box and everything, you know.
Yeah.
You hear me, I say?
Alright.
Yo, take away. Oh, you mean boy for psycho? Yo, anyone out to come on the yard again? You know it a go this time, you know. You know it a go.
Hey, who leave this pity bag here? Somebody must leave this pity bag here for me. Hey, they know I was passing very early. Oh, it looks good. I love it. I'm not even going back to the bush. I'm going home. Hey, pretty bag.
Josiah, she want name Miss Josiah. Josiah that name.
Miss Josiah where?
We are going to plan for you.
Yeah, we are going up there, we are going to slap him up, brother. I'll get you.
I want Masha up, she and her son come take me.
Get some money out here, brother. Watch you, man.
So, ready?
Ready long time.
Come in, let me go for your.
Yo, come in.
Today is my day. Good afternoon, ma'am. From I see you coming, I know you have something to say. But when you are addressing me, you don't say, good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, Madam Josiah. Good afternoon, ma'am. And you make sure, when you are coming, you're not coming to talk to me about my son, Robin. I don't want to hear. I don't want to hear. Because I know my teeth. My son that is working in a bank, I bring my stuff to me. You go to over my son. I don't want to hear anything. Okay. Huh? Yes. If you village people think you're going to kill me and my son, huh? What is that? My bag? Yes. I just find that bag up there. This is my bag. Yes. Can you afford this expensive bag up? Even my son bust up my head. Where? And took one bag. That little thing in your forehead. You say my son bust up my head. Yes, he did. You fall down. Stop telling I and my son. You fall down and you say. Yes, yes, you defending my son. I'm not defending my son. You guys are wicked. Because our son is rich in a done. It's just finished and we are not afraid. We are not afraid. Come on, you go. You go. Leave us alone. Because we are rich. You guys. Go away. Leave us alone.
Hear them a talk, say them have a price for my head. Enough of them want me dead, but I'm covered by the Most High, so none of them can come close to go side. Me hear them a talk, say them have a price for my head. Enough of them want me dead, but I'm covered by the Most High, so none of them can come close to go side.
Enough of them sit and chat about a thing about high, but me knowledge never low it reach high about sky. So me not have no time for listen too much nigga time. Me brain a think off fi make the money fi buy the plane and fly. Them mother want fi build a house and care for buy a sheet of fly. Me now go chop out of the ring like them before them even try. Alice suffer too much tired fi see a riot cry. We now go chop out of the race now, then now go see we die.
Me hear them a talk, say them have a price for my head. Enough of them want me dead, but I'm covered by the Most High, so none of them can come close to go side. Me hear them a talk, say them have a price for my head. Enough of them want me dead, but I'm covered by the Most High, so none of them can come close to go side.
If a ratchet then a tree, from me a grow money me a pre. Me want to stop money like us and grain up on the seed that me want. Give me the G. Lazy dog no want for work, that's why them sick and die with flea. Them don't know when time you down, so why them want to take your crown. Them want your skin tear off like